If all you publish on Amazon are low content books like notebooks, journals, planners, diaries, cookbooks, and you're frustrated that you're not getting sales, come closer. Amazon KDP started in November 2007. Between 2010 and 2020, there are lots of people that got to know about Amazon KDP and they have published millions of low content books on Amazon. So if you publish the same book you published in 2007 to 2010, you are not even going to get sales at all. If oversaturation was the only problem you have when you are publishing low content books, it would have been better. Currently, there's even a bigger problem on Amazon if you are only publishing low content books. If you are conversant with the news in KDP, you realize that Amazon recently increased their printing costs. That's like the biggest indicator to tell you that you cannot afford to waste your time creating books in niches that the prices are very low. How can you go into a business, create a product, and do not even know how much the product costs? Not to even talk about how much you are going to make as your profit. Amazon takes up to 40% of your royalties. That is not even including the printing cost of the book. Imagine creating a book and setting the price at $7. How much do you think you will make if the pages of the book is up to 120? At the end of the day, even if you sell 200 copies of that book, you cannot even make $100 from it. The truth is that Amazon is not the reason why you are frustrated, tired, or you want to quit KDP. When I started KDP, I thought that the more books you make, the more money you make. So I made 150 books on Amazon and I did not even see one sale. Imagine 150 books without even seeing one sale. It was when I stopped making low content books that I started making money on Amazon. I had to start learning new skills and improving on them to the point that people all over the world reach out to me to teach them the skills I've learned from making books that are not low content anymore. A lot of people that are in Amazon KDP are looking for the fastest and the easiest way to make thousands of dollars on Amazon without taking the time to learn the necessary skills that is needed to get the kind of results that they are looking for. And if KDP doesn't work for them in 3 weeks or in 1 month, they quit and go and look for something else. Amazon KDP doesn't work like that. So which kind of books should you be selling instead of selling low content books? The answer is simple. Just do the opposite. Sell high content books. But not just any kind of high content books, but high content books that have high barrier to entry. What does that mean? That simply means books that the regular person will not want to go into the niche because of how difficult it is to make those kind of books. And those kind of books typically are priced higher than the average book. So with very little amount of sales, you can make a lot of money. I always like going for books that the average prices are above $20 and the average number of pages is below 110 pages. And I prefer the black and white interior because that way I get to make more money on Amazon. If you would like me to make a detailed video showing you particular niches that you should go into that you can guarantee sales for you, then let me know in the comment section. And if you have not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button. So what if you have been publishing high content books in low competition niches and you are still not getting sales? There's one mistake a lot of people make that causes this problem, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do in order for you to move from getting no sales to getting a lot of sales.